Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you update about one old airdrop which I shared with you on my telegram channel Hidden Airdrop Finder. Also I want to share with you two new amazing airdrops and big airdrops which you must not miss and must join for sure. So let's move on to our telegram channel. Our telegram channel name is Hidden Airdrop Finder, and if you didn't join our telegram channel yet, then please join our telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description. I have provided a link of this telegram channel in the description. From there you can join this channel and must join this channel, and I provide here all the best airdrops, and daily I provide all the best airdrops over here. So let's start with the first update about one old airdrop which was a very big airdrop. This was Project Mars airdrop. It's a really very big project, and if you joined this, then congratulations. Just wait, check your wallet. If you received, then congratulations. If you didn't receive it, then just have patience and just wait, as the distribution is ongoing, and just keep checking your wallet when you receive. I hope you have already completed all the necessary tasks for this airdrop and you have successfully joined this airdrop. Now it's the time for distribution. So you just need to copy this for just checking whether you have received your token or not. You just need to copy this whole and then paste it on any place or on any notes. So I'm pasting it over here. Then you just need to copy this Mars contract address, Mars token contract address. I'm going to copy this Mars token contract address right now. And then if you followed my previous video of this airdrop, how to join this airdrop, if you followed that video, in that video I showed you to download the Kiwi browser. From there only you will be able to access the mobile browser extension of MetaMask, because MetaMask wallet address you needed to submit so that you will receive your rewards of this Project Mars airdrop in your MetaMask wallet. So let's move on to wallet with which so let's just open your MetaMask wallet with which you have joined this airdrop. Just open your MetaMask wallet with which you have submitted during this airdrop joining. After you just log into your MetaMask wallet, you just need to see open the Phantom chain, and here I have mentioned some details. So that it's a select Phantom network. If you didn't have Phantom network, then please check my previous video of the Project Mars airdrop, or I will provide you the details about how to add Phantom network if you didn't add it yet. Or I think you must have added already the Phantom network, because if you have followed my previous video, you have already added this Phantom network on your MetaMask wallet. So after you have recently the address which you recently copied, you just need to click on this scroll down and then click on this add token button. Make sure you have opened this Phantom Opera. Just click on this and then open Phantom Opera. I hope you have already done that. Then the address you have just recently copied, you just need to paste over here. Paste this address over here, and it will automatically be showing you that the token symbol is Mars, and then just click on then next. After you click on next, you just need to click on add tokens. After you click on add tokens, you will see that your tokens has been successfully added over here, and then you can just go back and see your balance. So these are the Mars tokens which are showing here. If you didn't receive it, then please don't panic, because you will receive it. Just have patience and wait for the distribution, as the distribution is ongoing and many people didn't receive it yet. They will receive. Please just have patience and wait for your distribution, your chance to come, and your rewards will be successfully received. If you have done all the necessary steps and you have joined this airdrop successfully, then you will surely receive this airdrop Mars tokens. So the update I have shown you already. So now you just need to move on to our first airdrop, which is a very big airdrop, and it's a good airdrop, I think. So you must join this airdrop. It's a hertz free 2250 hertz you will get from this airdrop. Just need to click on this hertz airdrop bot. Then just need to click on start, and it will show something like this details. Then click on join airdrop. Then do all the tasks like joining this, and follow them on Twitter, retweet their pinned post, and tag 3 of your friends. Then just need to subscribe to their YouTube channel, and then you just need to join their promoter channel, follow their promoter Twitter account. These are optional tasks. If you want, you can do, otherwise you can also skip this. Then click on registration, then just do this verification by just clicking on this image, and then click on gamepad. So click on this gamepad image. Here it is. I have successfully done the verification. Then it will ask for your email address, then just enter your email address. Then it will ask for your Hertz wallet account name. For this, you just need to go back to our Telegram channel Hidden Airdrop Finder, and I have provided the link over here on which you just need to create the wallet. So just click and hold and then copy this link. Then just need to open it on any browser. Just open it on any browser and then paste the link over here and then click on search. After you click on search, you just need to click on the top right 3 bars, then just click on login or register. After you click on login or register, you just need to wait for the page to open. After the page has opened, you just need to wait for it to fully load. So then you just need to create an account, and for that you need to click on register button. Click on register, then make any username and enter it over here. Enter any username and then enter your email address with which you want to sign up. Then enter your password and confirm password. Then you just need to click on register. After you click on register, and then just need to check your email, and after you check your email, just click on the link which is sent to your email by this Hertz network. So after you just click on the link and verify your registration, then you just need to click on the back to login button. After you click on back to login button, just wait, and then you just need to log in with your details with which you have registered recently. I think it's not loading, it's just showing some error. Okay, let's just click on top right 3 bars, then click on login or register. Then you just need to enter your username or email address. I'm doing the same. Then after you enter your details, you need to click on login. So after login, you will just see a page like this. Then you just need to click on the top right 3 bars menu button. Then just need to click on wallets. Then you need to click on web wallet. After you click on web wallet, then I think you just need to instead you just need to click on plus button. After you click on plus button, you just need to make your account name. Just make your new account name. So I have made already, and then click on confirm. After you have just entered, then click on confirm. After you click on confirm, your account will be made, and this is my account name, Adarsh Patel 2, and here this is my account name, and I need to enter the same over here and I need to enter the same and submit over here in the bot. So just open your bot and then submit. As I have submitted this Adarsh Patel 2, this is my Hertz wallet account name. Your will be different, so you just need to see for your account which you just recently made by following the previous steps which I shown you, and then enter it over here. Then after you enter your wallet name, then you just need to enter your Twitter link below with which you have followed their Twitter account. So then you just need to enter your Twitter profile link. After entering your Twitter profile link, you need to enter your retweet link which you will get by opening your Twitter app. Just open your Twitter account, clicking on top left 3 bars menu button, and then just open your profile link. After you open your profile, this is what you just need to copy. This is what I just entered something positive about this project and then tagged my 3 friends. Then you just need to click on the share button. After click on the share button, you need to click on copy link. After you click on copy link, your link will be copied, and then you just need to submit over here in the bot. After you submit, you can do this optional task as well. You click on just subscribe YouTube channel. Subscribe their YouTube channel. After you subscribe their YouTube channel, see, I have just subscribed this YouTube channel. I have already subscribed it. Then just you need to open that YouTube channel in any browser. Then you just need to log in that YouTube account with on any browser. So I'm gonna move on to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, and this is the channel which I used to subscribe to their account, to their YouTube channel. And then you just need to click on this button top right, this is your profile button. Then you need to click on your channel. After you click on your channel, you need to click on this and just click on this copy button, copy the URL. After you copy the URL, you just need to submit over here. Then if you perform to the promoter channel, you just need to click on this and just click on join button and join this promoter channel. And then you just need to click on this promoter Twitter, click on Twitter, open it. After you open it, you just wait for it to load. After you open it, click on follow, and after you follow this, you just need to scroll down to see for the Hertz airdrop, and scroll down, and this is the Hertz airdrop. So just click on like and just click on this button, and then click on retweet button to retweet this post of Hertz network airdrop. After you do this, click on I have joined, and after you do that, you just have successfully joined this airdrop, and it will show something like this. And then you just need to just check your balance, and if you want more earnings, you can just share this, copy this referral link and share it with your friends if you want more earnings. So now you have successfully joined this second airdrop, first airdrop as well. So now you just need to scroll up, and you must join this MSP airdrop. So just click on this, and just click on join this Moonship airdrop bot. Just click on this, open this bot, click on start. Then you just need to solve this captcha by entering the right calculation. Then click on connect wallet here, and then open it on any browser. I'm clicking on connect wallet here, then click on open. After you click on open, you just need to connect this. Click on connect to a wallet. After you click on connect to a wallet, click on wallet connect. After you click on connect, you just need to click on token pocket. If you don't have account on token pocket, then please make one account on token pocket, and here you need to make account on OKT. Just need to switch to your OKT chain. You just need to make your account on OKT chain over here. I think it's a Huobi smart chain. So you just need to make your download the token pocket app, and then just make your account on token pocket. So just click on the, after making this account, just click on this top left icon OKT1. In your case it will be Ethereum ETH. Then you just need to click on this icon. Just open this Heko chain. Where is it? This is Heko chain. Then just click on any of this. After you click on this, you just need to after you click on this icon, you just need to click on plus icon, and then click on create wallet. After you click on create wallet, you need to again click on create wallet, and enter your password, set your wallet name, and repeat the password. Then you will just get a private key phrase which you need to save in a very safe place so that nobody can see it, and just save it on your notes and don't share it with anyone. Then you just need to verify it by re-entering your private key phrase words. So after you do that, you just need to connect with this. So after you just make your create your wallet on Huobi Echo chain, Huobi smart chain, then you just need to click on connect, and then connect it with token pocket app with the wallet you just recently created. So I'm going to connect, do the same. I'm going to open this on token pocket on the Huobi smart chain network, Huobi chain network. So it's connecting, it's showing like connecting. Just wait for it to connect successfully. Click on confirm authentication, then go back to the page. It will show like this. Then click on back to bot. On back to bot, just need to click on Telegram. Click on Telegram. After you click on Telegram, you just need to click on check. After you click on Telegram, you just click on this button, and then click on check. After you click on check, something like this will appear. Then you just need to click on this bot link, Moonship bot. After you do that, you will see like something like this. Then click on check, and after you click on check, it will show all the tasks to you. Then you just need to do each and every task by clicking on this button every time. And then after you do all the tasks, click on submit your details, then submit your email address, then just submit your Twitter profile with which you have followed this Twitter account. Then you need to retweet their pinned post of NetMoney Twitter account. Then click on yes and do all the tasks. After doing all the tasks, click on yes for every task you did. And then after, at the last, you just need to you will just see your dashboard, and you will see your referral link which you can share with your friends if you want more earnings. So that's all for this airdrop as well. So that was the second airdrop, and I do also want to share with you some other airdrops which I just recently posted over here. Like this, just scroll up and just see for fish swap airdrop. This is also a very big airdrop, and it's an amazing airdrop which you must not miss. So just click on this and just join this airdrop bot, as its distribution is going to be happen very soon. Its distribution will start from 5 June, and I think it will be ending soon, so must join this airdrop, and its distribution will start from 5 June, so just wait for it to happen. And then you can also check out some other airdrops like all the other airdrops like this soul airdrop. Just click on form, fill this form, and you can also join this Yearn finance kit. I think it's already over because of the limited amount of participants. And you can also join this other airdrops like Poshu Inu airdrop, which can give you huge earnings. And please don't miss this airdrop as well, MOBA NFT MOBA airdrop. So I hope you like this video. Please support, like, share and subscribe, and also join my Telegram channel Hidden Airdrop Finder. I have provided the link in the description, so from there you can join my Telegram channel Hidden Airdrop Finder. Any future airdrops. Thank you.